So things happen every day that make me just want to pull my hair out. And here's a good example of one. We do a tune-up on a truck. Technician drives it. Truck's running great after the tune-up. Came in with some misfires, replaced the spark plugs, a coil. Did a test drive, runs great. Give it to my quality control manager. He runs 15, 20 miles on it, runs great. Comes back, turns it over to a driver. Have the driver head back to the customer. Halfway back, driver calls me, says, hey, the check engine light's on, it's flashing. Come back, okay, probably have some other type of misfire issue. Pulled the plugs out, and brand new plug, already cracked. So I'm assuming it must have been cracked when we put it in, but it was not obvious. A trained technician that's been doing this for 20 years plus didn't even notice anything being wrong with this. But basically, once that spark plug's in the vehicle, this porcelain is a insulator, so it's gonna insulate the electricity from arcing back to the block. And it needs to go all the way through the spark plug, out the end, and then basically it grounds back to the engine here. And so if you have a crack in the porcelain, the electricity that's going through the spark plug is gonna shoot through that crack and arc right into the side of the head, causing a misfire. So this cylinder is not going to fire at all. And you can see there's a pretty good sized crack right there. Another good one right there. So we've got 2 in total. This one was misfiring, but I can't physically see anything wrong with it. Anyways, we swap out these 2. Truck's up and running good. We put another 60 miles on it just to make sure we didn't have any more issues before I send it back to the customer. But sometimes people think we don't care or we didn't do a good job. It's hard. Sometimes they don't believe we actually fix what we said we fixed. But this is just a prime example of crazy stuff we see every day.